Hello, this is Mark Wildman of Wildman Athletica, and today we are going to talk about the two-hand heavy club alternating circle. Heavy club swinging is something that everybody should do. It is the best possible thing you can do for your health and fitness, both space-wise, movement-wise, and money-wise, economically. The two-handed alternating circle that we are talking about today built on two other types of circles, a two-hand inside circle and a two-hand outside circle. The two-handed inside circle has two hands on the heavy club. The top hand moves towards the center of your body. 2 feet point straight ahead, rotate. The movement starts from the same side leg. The cues are push till arms lock out, tip, swing, pull, catch, load, opposite leg, rotate across, same side leg. Push, swing, pull, catch, rotate, push, swing, pull, catch, rotate. The opposite of the inside circle is the outside circle. Top hand moves away from the center line. It starts with the opposite load. Inside is same side leg. Opposite, outside, is opposite leg. Opposite leg loads. The leg starts the movement. Push, swing, pull, catch. Come back to center, rotate across. Opposite leg starts, push, swing, pull, same side leg absorbs the force. Eventually you combine an inside circle and an outside circle together and you get an alternating circle. An alternating circle will train you to decelerate and change directions. Deceleration and acceleration are key components of training power. The alternating circle trains power the most important way that humans do things, in rotation. We will start with the club on the ground. Picking it up is key so you don't hit yourself in the face. Feet straight ahead, feet directly underneath your shoulders. The goal is for the feet not to move and everything else to move. 2 thumbs point towards the sky, stack your hands on top of each other, pick the club up to our order position. Order position is the equivalent of rack position in barbell, in kettlebell, and in dumbbell. 2 feet point straight ahead. Start with the inside circle because that's the one that people are probably better at. Rotate. The hips move 45 degrees. The upper body moves 45 degrees from that to make the upper body move a total of 90 degrees. Push, swing, pull, catch. Elbow comes to body. In the beginning, we have people load all the way back to the center. Then go outside, rotate, load opposite side leg. The leg starts the movement, push, swing, pull, catch, come back to center, rotate, load the same side as the top hand leg, push, swing, pull, catch, come back to center, push, swing, pull, catch, come back to center. As you get more advanced, you're going to take out moving to the center. Rotate, push, swing, pull, catch. Don't come back to the center, but elbow comes to hip. Accelerate, leg first. Push, swing, pull, catch. Decelerate, accelerate. Accelerate, decelerate, accelerate, decelerate, accelerate, decelerate, accelerate. Pause. The heavier the club, the more this is a leg exercise. When you are done, rotate back to center. Straighten your arms all the way out, touch the weight all the way down to the ground. Things that people will mess up in the beginning, they will turn out. Even if you tell them to turn in, most people will turn out. When they rotate and they push, you will see this kind of horrific looking line in the knee. If you turn out, the ankles roll in, the foot collapses. Pointing the feet straight ahead gives the body an opportunity to learn how to fire the arch of the foot. Put a circle in a deadlift family of movement. With a barbell, the bar moves straight up and down. With a kettlebell, it moves curvilinear. It turns into a kettlebell swing. With a club, you can mimic either of those movements, but you can also do the most important thing and turn it into a circle. All sports are based on circles. Rotation, all dance is based on circles. All martial arts are based on circles and rotation of the joints. When you use clubs, your knees learn to do their job, your feet do their job, your hand does their job, your core does their job. There is no better way to train than with heavy clubs. Focus on all the key points and work to a heavier weight over the course of several years.